Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm video. This is August Boxycharm, and if you're wondering why I'm wearing glasses and not wearing makeup, there's something in here that I'm also going to do a bit of a test out on, just for fun. So this is my August Boxycharm. If you guys are new, welcome to my channel, and if you guys are not new, welcome back and thanks for joining us. If you guys have not already, please hit the subscribe button and then click the notification bell so you get notifications of when my upcoming videos are coming out, so you get these fun videos. Alright, jumping right into it, let's just jump right into August Boxycharm. So this month it is called Totally Boxycharm, and obviously it's very pink and Barbie looking, and may I say a bit on the 80s/90s feel. So this is what my box looks like this month. I am very happy. There's some variations that I was like, I really don't want, and I got a variation that I'm very excited about. So the first thing in here is from Pure, and this is the Barbie Glitterly Brightening and Peel Off Mask, and this has got licorice extract, green tea, and vitamin B with some ginseng in it. So this is actually the reason why I'm sporting my glasses and not a full face of makeup. So this here is a retail value of $26, and this is a pink glitter mask. So what I'm actually going to do is we are going to put it on my face and see how well this works, just for fun. So, and I will do the rest of the unboxing while this is on my face. So this is just a spatula that I have. I have a mirror right here. If you see me looking off this way, it's because I'm putting on the mask with my mirror. So let's just take a look at this. Ooh, I like that's cute. There's a close-up of what it looks like. I don't know if you can really see the glitterness to it, but there's a bit of glitter in here. I'm just going to apply this. If you don't have a brush like this and you kind of would like one for applying this kind of stuff, I did get, it came with a set from actually the Dollarama, and it came with a jar of like a mask, and I ended up getting rid of the mask. There was a few comments that I heard that was that people were saying that there was actually like stuff in the face mask that I used, so I didn't really want to take a chance and reuse it. So that is where this came from. But I do know you can purchase these little silicone applicators at the Dollarama if you live in Canada, and I think you probably could get them at the dollar store. If not, I'm sure Wish or eBay has them if you do any online purchases like that. That is super glittery. I think that's cute. I'm gonna do the rest of this video with this lovely pink face. Okay, so the mask says that you apply a generous amount to your skin, and then obviously avoid eye area for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so up next in here is this here. This is the Wander, I don't know if you can see it, Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Face Illuminating Face Oil. And this is a brand we know very well in Boxycharm lately. We've been getting quite a few Wander Beauty products in Boxycharm lately. I'm not going to complain. I haven't really used quite a few of them. We've got a face mask, I have mascara, this, and I think there's one other thing that I have, but so this is what it looks like here. It's got a little bit of a pink tinge to it, and it looks like it's definitely got some glow factor in there. Let's just rub that in and see. It doesn't look super glowy. It has a bit of a sheen, but not too bad, so I'll probably really enjoy that. And this is a $42 shoosh. That's expensive for an oil, I find. Especially since I love the like ColourPop oils. But up next is this here. So this here is the Big Ego from Tarte, and this is their new mascara, and obviously it's in the color black. I was kind of excited to see this. quite a few Tarte mascaras at this point, and honestly, I don't get through mascara very fast, so getting mascara in my Boxycharm has been kind of like it's like, oh, I'll just have to put it aside for later because I haven't even used any of the ones that I've gotten in my Boxycharm yet. I used to buy a lot of mascaras. I wanted to try all these mascaras because I was like, oh, I hope it makes it look like eyelashes, fake eyelashes, and so far, no mascara's ever actually made it look like I'm wearing fake eyelashes, but yeah. So anyway, definitely going on this whole pink theme. There is the pink, very neon pink mascara, and this is what the wand looks like. I actually like the indent in the wand. I'm really excited to try this. And then this one is to make your eyelashes look fuller. This one retails for $23, which is actually a little bit less than what they actually retail for in Canada. That is awesome. I'm excited to try that. Next up, we have 2 more items, and I'm gonna do this one next. And I was excited that they put these in the box. So this is the Lashaholic Luxury Lashes, and I have these in, I think this one is called Instagram, and these are what the lashes look like. They are super nice. They are really long, but they're wispy enough to make them look not like big caterpillars on my eyes. These retail for $14.99. I guess as far as really good eyelashes go, that's pretty decent. Okay, and the piece de resistance. This is the last item in my Boxycharm, and everyone got this month, and this is the Becca Hydra-Mist Set and Refresh Powder. So that is what it looks like. I was super excited to get this. This is something I was wanting to try, but I kind of didn't want to spend the money to try it out. This retails for $39 in the States, and at Sephora I think it's like $45 or something in Canada. So this pops up. I'm obviously not going to try it on my face at this point, but I am going to just test it on my hand. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, I'm just putting a little bit on my hand here. It's got this here, and it says to keep it closed so that you actually can still feel it, because it has a tiny bit of a wet feel. That is really cool. I like how my hand looks super nice, and I'm very excited to try this. I have my phone with me, so I'm going to add everything up. Alright, so it comes to, this box is about $144.99, and that's actually really good. So this month I am very excited about. I know in the last couple of boxes I've been a little bit like, I'm not sure if I really enjoy them, and I was thinking about maybe canceling after, but this box has definitely redeemed itself. I've obviously already tried the mask, and everything else in this box, other than the lashes, which I wouldn't have bought myself, but everything else is something that I totally would have probably purchased myself if they weren't as expensive. Like, so like I would have totally bought this myself, but I was humming and hawing about picking it up. That is everything in this totally Boxycharm, and I'm just waiting for this to fully dry. It feels like it is dry. Alright, so at this point I'm sure I could just take this off. So it just says to like roll it off your face, so let's see how well this comes off.
But you brought out my feelings. I got problems and issues. You stepped in, but how did you fix up my heart? I feel so whole when I'm with you. I mean, October was over and I still was up in it, but I thought that ferocious coaster that throws us was finished, but I still stuck around.
It feels so glowy. It feels nice and soft and moisturized. I don't know if it's supposed to moisturize, but it does feel real nice. So that was everything in August Boxycharm. If you guys want to see a video on me actually using all of the stuff that I still have from Boxycharm, or stuff that I haven't fully like used yet, leave me a comment in the comments below. I do realize that I don't do like reviews and try-ons with all my Boxycharm stuff, just because sometimes it's I already have makeup on or whatever the case may be. But if you want to see a video of that, leave me a comment in the comments below, and that I can definitely do for you of what I have left of my Boxycharm stuff that I've gotten in the last like 2 years. So if you want, please give this video a like so I know that you guys enjoy these kind of things. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!